When you are collaborating with someone else on a document or reviewing and editing someone else's work, it can be useful to use the Track Changes tool. This will show all of the edits made in a different font color so you can easily see what has been changed and what hasn't. Here's what Tracking Changes looks like. You can see where new text has been added, it's been put in red font and underlined, and you can see where text has been removed or changed. So the text that's been removed has a line through it and the new text is underlined in red next to it. You can start tracking your changes by just clicking Track Changes. And from now on, things will be marked like this. You can select how your track changes looks using this drop down here. So this will show all markup, everything we just looked at, or you can choose simple markup, which will just indicate where changes have been made in your document. Also, you can choose to see no markup, as if you're just going to accept all the changes, or you can see the original, what it looked like beforehand. When using this tool, you can change what you want to show as markup by using the Show Markup dropdown. The Show Markup dropdown allows us to select what we want to have marks on. So any text that's been inserted or deleted will be marked, any formatting changes will be marked, and we can choose from some other options as well, such as show only formatting in balloons. So if we were to change the formatting of this to italics, for example, it's going to pop up as a separate piece of information.